Good morning. It's Wednesday, 28th August 2024. My name is Vijay. Welcome to yet another episode of Pre Market Commentary, where we talk about what happened yesterday and what we can look forward to today. So, yesterday we are fearing about this double top phenomena. At the end of the day, it looks like a somewhat double top has been formed. But as I was mentioning yesterday, that there are many other conditions to be fulfilled. For instance, volume, for instance, the depth of the fall. Those things seem to have not happened yesterday in the during the day. Now, yesterday was a very strange market uh, globally. Now, why do I call this strange? Because yesterday, after a very long time, the Bank Nifty and the Fin Nifty did better than Nifty. That's point number one. Point number two was FIIs bought, DIs sold. That was another strange thing. Point number three was while the Nifty almost touched an all time high, Bank Nifty was, of course, far away. None of the other indices, excepting small cap. I thought micro cap will beat small cap, but small cap made an all time high. And pharma index made an all time high, which is a defensive sector. So that's another strange thing. Now, tomorrow is the AGM of Reliance, but there is just no build up for Reliance AGM. Very strange. Normally, there will be some speculative buying in the week beginning of the AGM. So we have already finished Monday and Tuesday. Nothing much is happening. HDFC Bank will get into MSCI, and the rebalancing should happen this weekend. Again, no build up. Maybe they're waiting for tomorrow. Maybe they'll start today. We don't know yet. But right now, that looks very strange to me. Now, look globally. US was very volatile for no reason, in my opinion. Again, a strange phenomenon. Then you had the Nvidia, which is reporting today evening after markets, and Nvidia really did some action, but not sufficient for what it is expected just before the results. So that's another interesting thing. Then you had the Bitcoin. It's suddenly the cryptocurrency suddenly crashed. Again, no reasons given. They fell 6%, 8%, 10% across the board, and then they have now bounced back slightly. But something unusual happened in the Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency area. Oil, which was supposed to be on the boil, because you see the talks between Israel and Hamas have seemed to have broken down, but oil came down. Gold and silver should have gone up. That didn't happen. Metal stocks, which did very well day before yesterday, should have continued their momentum. That did not happen. So you have had a strange series of strange events. Markets do such strange things often. They throw googlies at you. So you have to learn to accept it and go ahead. Now, if you look at yesterday's volumes, there is no real big volume, 1,15,000 crores, in line with what is happening recently. Then you had the Asian markets which are open today. They opened softer. Nikkei is down by about 100 points. Hang Seng, as usual, is down. It's down by 150 points. Singapore is down. Korea is down. Generally, they're on the softer side. US futures are also not doing anything great. Gift Nifty had a free rate about 200 points lower at 24,800. Now it has bounced back to around 25,000. So that's what is we are going into trade today. Yesterday, IT did well, Pharma did well. So I think the focus will again be on IT and Pharma. IT mid cap, one stock which we like is this Birla Soft, which is I think gaining ground. Then there is some other particular stocks like City Union Bank looks very interesting. We don't have a position in either of them right now, but we may want to build positions in them. Public sector banks, just flattering to deceive. Oil marketing companies, again, flattering to deceive. Autos did very well yesterday. Bajaj and Maruti did very well. So, and remember, we are hearing news about a lot of inventory in autos. Yet, these two companies did very well yesterday. Bajaj FinServ seems to have got up after a very long rest. So that could be the focus. FMCG didn't do well yesterday. Though one would have expected with inflation coming down, expected to come down, FMCG will be the star performers, but that is not happened. It looks more like a rotation which is going on, and a significant amount of selling and buying pressure in different stocks. So today we still go positive. We go I mean positive in Reliance, HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finserv, City Union Bank, and a few public sector banks. Dr. Reddy, that could be a very interesting move today. Incidentally, Reliance GDR did very well yesterday, so maybe that should add some sheen to today's movement. Reliance many times surprises suddenly on the upside, not so much on the downside. So here we are, again going into it positive, though we don't know whether it will really be a positive day, because there is nothing indicating it to be a positive day. But I'm keeping a positive mindset, because I believe that sooner or later the all-time high will be crossed. The big bulls who are talking about GAN theory and all that, they are talking of a drop first, 23,500, and then crossing the all-time high. I don't know about GAN as much as those guys know. I'm only looking at overall scenario looks bullish. So BTFD should be the way to go. We plan to do BTFD again. We did well yesterday, and we have been doing well on the BTFD for the last few months. So I don't see any reason why we should change our stance today. But whatever you do, I hope it is successful, and you make good amount of money today. Here it is, Vijay signing off. Thank you. Have a lovely trading day.